Good morning. Thank you for that. This morning you heard Tracy emphasize the importance of having the right data detailed to the necessary level of granularity. And then Donna came up here and she brought you up to speed on the latest results and trends and insights. Now we're going to delve deeper. Today we'll first provide an update on the industries we discussed last year, and then we're going to drill into 4 new industries that are shown here. We'll explore how frequency trends have shifted and uncover key insights. And these insights by industry may help us better predict future trends. Okay, so the first industry that we'll provide an update on is construction. And if you remember from last year, we learned that frequency declined faster than any other industry, largely driven by a reduction in strain injuries. Also notice here that the pandemic impact on frequency was minimal. We don't see that big dip in 2020 like you do for many of the other industries. Next is manufacturing, and not much of a change here. You could see in the latest year, frequency did continue to decline. And for manufacturing, employment growth was flat and even shrunk in the latest few years. So in other words, there was less employee turnover or less churn in the labor market, which could have led to the decline in frequency that we see. Now, transportation and warehousing. The frequency increase starting in 2021 was largely driven by growth in the industry, specifically for couriers and messengers due to the rising demand for package deliveries as online shopping surged with the pandemic. Frequency did come down about 2%, and in 2023 there was less turnover in the labor market. Our final update is for retail and wholesale trade. Now, both industries have a relatively flat frequency, declining just a bit less than 1% per year on average. However, both have seen frequency decline materially in 22 and 2023, with retail being the steepest. Let's revisit some of the key insights we covered. We drilled into industry-specific trends and unpacked key drivers behind the changes. Frequency continues its steady decline, but it's different by industry and important to understand the dynamics. Workers and workplaces are safer today than ever, and it's vital for us to continue monitoring frequency trends by industry. Thank you so much.